What kind of jewelry? Is it helping and elevating your style, or can it be damaging and cheapening your style? Hey guys, what is up? This is Michaela Smith Campbell, the fashion designer and founder for the fashion design brand MACK Smith, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am super excited to be doing with you guys because this is a style guide on my What to Wear series, how to avoid looking cheap during this holiday season. So stay tuned. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up as well. So to start off for this style guide for you, I'm going to be going over 5 different ways you can potentially cheapen the look of your outfit by wearing these certain things. Number 1, the first item on this list is wearing too much sequin or metallic. Because this is such a bold fabric choice in items that you're wearing and styling, I mean, I'm talking about if we're wearing a sequin headband and then you have a sequin shirt and then you have metallic pants or a metallic skirt, it just is a lot going on. It's very heavy on the eye and can potentially be an eyesore, especially the way you style it. So something that we could opt for is maybe just sticking to a sequin top or a metallic top or even metallic pants or bottoms. And there's different ways to also style it too. If you do choose a metallic top, you can do a bottom that is maybe a wool pant or a wool long maxi skirt. And you can just add a lot of accessories. You could probably have a matching sequin or metallic purse. That's a statement purse to balance out the sequin and metallic if you're a huge sequin and metallic lover during the holiday season. And for example, there are also some exceptions to this look. If you do wear a matching set and it's a matching sequin top with bottoms, it could work. It could work. I don't want to scare anybody off by saying you can't wear all sequin or all metallic or just it would be too much, but there are certain sets that could work that do have some subliminal sequins around and attached the matching top and bottom. I've seen some matching sets, like I know there's a set, for example, on Zara, for example, and it's a burgundy top with a wide-legged pant bottom. And it's like one of those like pajama cozy satin sets, but attached to it are like little sequin beads on the top and bottom. It's not too heavy with sequin, but it's just subliminal sequin beading on the top and bottom. I think that's great and it looks great as well. But I'm talking about too much sequin where you have a top, bottom, you're wearing a headband or scarf that's metallic. It just can be a little bit too much. But if you are a sequin lover or metallic lover, for me, I personally love the sequins. You can really go hard on the accessories. You can really go hard on your bag or your shoes being sequin to match your sequin top or metallic top. So that's just one way that you can utilize metallics or sequins without looking too cheap. So the second thing on this list that can really cheapen your outfit during this holiday season, especially if you're getting dressed up to go to a festive party or event, is wearing fake jewelry. And I know there are people on a budget. However, wearing too much fake jewelry that's really obviously fake, like plastic, can sometimes potentially cheapen your outfit. I'm talking about if you have those cheap, big hoop earrings, and these are the popular, I've seen so many people wear these, but they're like the gold hoop chunky hugging earrings, and they're super shiny and it almost looks like a plastic coating on top of like a plastic little hoop, and it can look really cheap and obvious it's not real. But really just be mindful when you are getting jewelry. You can opt for just investing in simple pieces. You can invest in, for example, silver earrings. Silver earrings are around like $20 depending on where you shop. You know, of course there's options like Amazon, Pagoda, that you can get dupes, or you can shop on a budget. But silver jewelry, especially real sterling silver, are a lot less expensive and more affordable than opting for like a pure gold hoop. So there are different options that you can opt for, and sometimes just straying away from the big shiny chunky jewelry that you know is not real that you might see in the accessory wall at Target. They're like the super shiny ones. I'm not hating on Target, but you know, just be mindful when you do shop. Sometimes a fake jewelry, or if you have a necklace and it's a green necklace, it used to be silver but it's not real silver, for example, and the chain is green and it's turning your neck a different color, like a green brown color, it can really cheapen your look too. Or if you have rings, the same idea with rings. If they're, you know, a fake gold or a fake silver and they're turning your finger a different color, like a green tone, and the ring is like a dark brown, it can just cheapen your look. So just be mindful. If you can't afford, obviously, like the real metals such as gold or silver, you can always do jewelry that are maybe resin jewelry, or you can maybe do like a stone, like a turquoise. Turquoise is, you know, also expensive, but you can do jade. Jade's a little bit more affordable. I mean, there's just so many different ways you can do jewelry and invest in jewelry. But if you are doing fake jewelry, try to at least buy jewelry that looks as real as possible and not so shiny and in your face. Like if you get it at Forever 21, or for example, or if it's really rusty, it can cheapen your outfit. But I always say to opt for real looking jewelry, or start off with sterling silver. Sterling silver jewelry is a lot more affordable. What kind of jewelry? Is it helping and elevating your style, or can it be damaging and cheapening your style? The third piece of style that can cheapen your outfit during the holiday season is having chipped nails. For me, I'm a no paint nail person for the majority of the time because I'm just too lazy to do my nails. You can just take your nail polish off. Just go get a nail polish remover, take it off, clean your nails, trim your nails nicely, and you can move on about your day. You can get your nails done if you want to for the holiday season. And another item, you can just go to the store, get press-on nails. If you are going to a holiday party or some kind of festive event, you can just get press-on nails. If you don't have the time to get your nails done or the money to get your nails done, you can just get a press-on set to press on throughout the night and just bring back up just in case they fall off throughout the night. The chipped fingernails can look a little bit cheap and low quality for your nails. If you have your nails done, or if you just have clean nails, sometimes it's the best way to go. But the chipped fingernails, you can just take them off, you guys. Just make your life simple, take them off, and it will just look clean. Your hygiene will look clean across the board. The next style tip that is on this list to avoid wearing during the holiday season, this is going to be very controversial and I'm going to get mixed feelings on this, but I have to put up here leggings, you guys. Now leggings, I'm a huge legging girl. I love wearing leggings when I'm working out or doing an active activity or just lounging, or if I'm doing errands. But if we're talking about going to holiday parties or festive events, there's so many other options than leggings. Yeah, nothing worse than wearing leggings with the Uggs, for example, that I usually see a lot of people wearing leggings with Uggs and then they'll have like a nice blouse or something. I'm not gonna lie and hate, because that used to be me in high school. I'm not gonna lie, I was one of those people. But you know, as your style elevates, there are just so many different things that you can wear besides leggings. You guys can wear maxi skirts, mini skirts with cute tights. You can also wear, you know, some people wear shorts with the thick tights underneath the shorts, and depending on where the climate region you live, shorts with tights. You can do a dress. Like, there's just so many options other than just throwing in the towel and wearing leggings with a nice top. If you're gonna wear a nice top, wear a nice bottom, especially if it's for a holiday festive event or party. Opt for that. I highly recommend. If you guys want to be comfortable too, I know a lot of the legging girlies always love to be comfortable. That's one of the main reasons why they might pick leggings. But you can also do a matching set. It could be a matching pajama set, like a satin button-up blouse with satin drawstring pants or wide leg pants. That can also be very comfortable and very chic, and then you just pair a good heel with it. That can be very chic as well. So those are just some other options to really elevate your style. If you are a legging girly and you want to be comfortable, that's just an option, because leggings don't need to be worn with everything and everywhere for every occasion. There are so many different, and this is a great time of year where you can elevate and wear all the rich textures like the velvet, the furs, the fleece. You can wear all of, the sequins. You can play around with your accessories, wear the red bold lip. So there's just so many different ways you can elevate your outfit for this time of year, which you can just experiment with and have fun. But leggings, if you're wearing them and you worn them all fall, for these holiday events, you can opt for other items that I've mentioned. And last but certainly not least, the next style tip to avoid that can cheapen your outfit for this holiday season is poor hygiene. I mean, poor hygiene, just all around hygiene. And I'm talking about dirty nails. You might have dirty hair, greasy, oily hair, or really dry, cracked hair. You need to wash and moisturize it. You might have bad breath or bad body odor. You guys, hygiene, if you can't get anything on this list, please just pick up hygiene. Having good hygiene, because poor hygiene can really cheapen your look. And people, especially if you have body odor or your mouth isn't on point with smelling, or you have plaque in your teeth, people aren't going to want to be talking to you and smelling all of that. So especially since you're mingling during a lot of these festival or holiday event parties, you want to just make sure that you're cleaned up. You floss, you scrub your tongue, get a tongue scraper, wash before you go into any holiday event. Just take a shower, scrub your face, take care of your skin, because how you treat your body and hygiene will greatly reflect you and your outer appearance, no matter what you wear. Honestly, you guys, you can be wearing a t-shirt and jeans and still be clean and look put together. Because the idea of just any kind of style, there's so many different kinds of styles, but if you can look put together, if you are put together and clean, but just really just take care of yourself, wash your hair, moisturize your hair, especially for the curly girls out there that have curly, big, kinky, thick hair like me. Moisturize your hair, especially in this dead winter, like this cold, your hair can get really dry. I know mine does, but just take care of yourself. Get some gum, brush your teeth before you go out the house to any event party where you're gonna be talking to a lot of people. Spray some perfume, make yourself feel good a little bit. Spray some perfume or cologne for those guys out there, because great hygiene can go such a long way. And just being comfortable in your skin, and it can reflect a lot. Like, say if you have poor hygiene and you don't wash your face often and you get, crazy breakouts or something, like, it can go a long way. Glowing, having a nice glow to you is what we're really looking for. Just taking care of yourself is the main style tip I cannot stress enough. So let me know in the comments what you guys think below. If you guys have any additional style tips to avoid, style tips to not look so cheap during the holidays, and what are some alternatives too that you could also use, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Happy holidays, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.